Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So to take a screenshot on your laptop you can either use a combination of Windows, Shift and S buttons or just press the print screen button instead. And once you do that you'll see this bar at the top of your screen. You have to make sure that you have snip option selected right here, and then you'll be able to select one of the four options for your screenshot. Now the first one is the rectangular one, so if you want to take a rectangular screenshot you simply have to select an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Once the screenshot is taken you'll get a notification like this. If you click on it you'll be able to use these quick tools to edit your screenshot. You can also edit it in Paint. If you tap right here you can save the new version of the screenshot by clicking right here and selecting the directory in which you want to save it. And if you want to find your screenshot you have to go to the File Explorer, then select Pictures folder and then go to the screenshots, and let me sort them by date so that I can find the one that was taken just now, and here it is. Now let's go to the other versions of screenshot. The second one is the Windows screenshot, and to take a screenshot of a window you just have to click on it and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. So it's just a screenshot of a window exclusively. Now the next version is full screen screenshot, and basically when you click on it the screenshot is taken automatically, and it's basically just a screenshot of your full screen. Okay, and the next option is the freeform screenshot, and to take a freeform screenshot you have to draw any shape on your device's display like this, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this depending on the shape that you painted. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.